What is going on, guys? It's your boy CJ from Flight 4 Hype. We are back at my boy's crib and we got 2 boxes in the mail today, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing. I have no idea what they are. He's got no idea what they are, so we're all gonna find out together. So let's get to it. First box is a lot smaller than the first one.
Yeah.
Alright guys, let's check it out. You got your red Nike box. Now before I show you the size,
you know the craziest thing? I actually straight up don't remember what the heck these are.
Let's check them out right now, man. Alright, you got your receipt and everything, all that good stuff. You definitely need that.
I know what these are. Oh!
The
yes,
Air
that's right.
Max 90s.
We got the Air Max 90s Supernovas, guys.
Okay, let's check that out. You see that? My boy is size 9. And you know what? Actually, like, I saw these in the store the other day as well too. When we went to Foot Locker, they were there.
Oh, they were actually?
Yeah, they were there. They were there.
Oh,
they were there.
I didn't know that.
They were there.
So right here, guys, we have a size 9.5 in the Supernovas. So on this tag right here, you have SN 2020, which stands for Supernova 2020, and then of course you have Nike right here.
Beautiful.
On the side here, you do have that metallic swoosh with like the infrared stitching. This material, I honestly don't really know what it is because it doesn't feel like suede, or it does not feel like nubuck either. Oh, this is really nice. Yeah. Then as you guys can see on the tongue, you do have the Nike with like the metallic silver Nike swoosh. On the back of the tongue, you do have like that mint color again, and like that teal again. And of course, you've got like that paint galaxy splatter. You've got that crimson color inside here and the air bubble. And of course, the most craziest part about the shoe, which is most sought after, is that Galaxy Supernova pattern.
That's crazy.
Really, really dope. It's got that canvas feel.
Yeah.
Over here too, you have this type of print, which is really dope. Feels really nice. The air bracket.
It's definitely a leather. It's like a tumbled leather.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's sick.
Yeah, it is.
And then over here, you have the branding with the Air Max on the side and Nike Air on the back, which is sick how this says Nike Air. But can't forget the blue stitching all around.
Yep.
That's really dope too. And in the insole, you kind of have that Galaxy radar type of thing going on in the insole.
See if we can pull up the insole.
See if we can pull up the insole. Here's the insole. It's got the gray with the Nike on the bottom. Last but not least, you see the aglets as well. They are that crimson type of color as well. That's sick, man. And like,
it's got a very 80s vibe to it, don't you
very
think?
80s vibe. Let's try them on feet, man. Ah, shit.
Yeah. Alright guys, for a second unboxing, we got a bigger box, so we're gonna figure out what these are too. Probably another size 9 for you, bro.
I don't know. At this point, I don't even remember what
you purchased.
I purchased, man.
What did you buy, bro? These are not. Cause I actually don't know what the hell they are.
Oh!
You were just talking about these too. Alright guys, so you got your gray New Balance box. Let's open them up and see which style you got in, man. We saw these at Groove downtown.
These are so fire, bro.
We saw these at Groove.
Alright guys, so we have the New Balance 997S's. So as you guys can see, for the colorway, it doesn't really say, it just says lifestyle model.
It says lifestyle.
But I did cop a USA 9. These retail, I think they were like $89, so on sale I believe. So let's just get into this shoe right here. So as you can see, this has more of like a mesh look. And you have a little hits of 3M. Yeah. What got me on the shoe though is the color blocking on the back. You know, look at that. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's almost got a bit of the 90s vibes.
You've got the pink inside the sock liner, and then on the outside of it you have like this more thicker mesh in this green color. And on the back you have a little bit of black nubuck, I believe. And then it also follows along with all the black mesh going up to the tongue, which has the branding of 997S.
That's my favorite part of this shoe.
This is crazy, right? Then of course it comes with these nice white flat laces, and on the side here you can see this type of rubber material, which like kind of feels like a car. You know what I mean? Like the mat of your car, basically. This is dope.
It's rubber.
Then of course you have the end cap reveal, and you have the Absorb Z midsole, which
Get a
is
good shot
dope.
of that.
Look at that, that's really cool. The coolest part about the shoe though is where the toe box is. You have this cut of suede, which is cool. It reminds you of the Wave Runners of the Yeezys type of vibe.
Yeah.
And on the midsole, you have like this constructed midsole where it's a little bit white here with a little bit of pattern, and then this totally different type of texture on the back. It's a little bit more plasticky.
It's rubber.
Yeah, again, you see this plastic material on the side, but it hits of green. And then on the bottom of the shoe, you do see the New Balance brand, and it says motion control device. That's dope. And then, as you can see on the back of the heel, this is like really hard. So it's like there's a lot of traction at the back. There's a lot of traction on the forefoot too. So this is honestly going to be good for running. I can't wait to try these on. So in the insole as well, you have the 997S. Alright guys, so that concludes the video. I hope everyone is having a great day. This whole entire day was the craziest thing. We made a lot of connections, a lot of new friends. We did a lot in one whole day, and it's only going to better the channel. If you've already made it this far in the video and you have not subscribed, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. A lot of content coming your way, and don't forget to turn on those notification bells so that way you don't miss anything. Guys, this is Flight for Hype. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Flight for Hype, and you already know what it is. Peace!